What's up, cats and chicks? OutlawGreaser here, and have we had a heck of a day. Just got home, and the whole damn house is flooded. These people here at this trailer park don't know how to fix shit. They done fixed our hot water heater like 3 or 4 times, but apparently not good enough. We come home, and the whole damn house is flooded in the floor. Had to use all the towels to clean it up. Ain't got no towels. Ain't got no water. I was going to do a pomade review for you today. As you can see, I've already got pomade in my hair, though. And this is what you're looking at when you're using Morgan's styling pomade. This stuff come from Scotland. My buddy over there, Gêne, sent this over with that other stuff that I reviewed not too long ago. Well, actually has been a good while. The reason for my absence is got some family issues going on. My grandma's in the hospital, so if y'all are religious people, be praying for her. And my mom's got COVID and strep throat. My dad had a blood clot in his leg. It's never ending. Always something going on, so be praying for us if that's your type of thing. On to the review. Morgan Styling Pomade, high shine and firm hold since 1873. This stuff right here is about the best pomade I've ever found, next to Suavecito. This literally is the only pomade I've ever seen that can be compared to Suavecito. It's the best, y'all. I mix it with a little bit of that, what's that deadgum stuff called? What's it called? No, it ain't Vitalis. What is it? Damn it. Be right back. Excellento is what I was trying to think of. But Excellento, you know, gives you a good shine, and it's real, a real light pomade. Real greasy, wet-looking pomade. Used a lot of it. Can be compared to Royal Crown. This, on the other hand, can be compared to Suavecito. And it was 10 pound, I'm pretty sure. That's what that symbol is, I think. So obviously it come from the UK. I don't know if you can find it over here, but I guess you can find it online. Yeah, there you go. www.morganspomade.co.uk. Go check it out. It's 100 grams, I guess. That's what it says, 100 G, 3.53 ounces for us Americans. But it's really good stuff, y'all. You gotta give it a try. I wish I could give you an example. I guess I could. Yeah, it smells amazing. It's like a cologne smell, and that's what it looks like. It's got a brown look to it, and it really just helps to add fiber to your hair. It makes your hair a lot harder, kind of like a cheater, you know, because Suavecito, the feeling that it gives you in your hair is more like a hairspray. It makes your hair brittle and hard, and makes it hard for the wind to blow it anywhere, and this stuff does the same thing. You get that perfect shape that you want. Like I said, if I had some water here at the house, I'd rinse what I got out of my hair and give you a proper review, but they can't seem to get shit fixed around here, so we ain't got no damn water till tomorrow. Told Juliet if we need to take a bath, I guess we're just gonna have to get the water off the ground. So this stuff here though, it dries quick, so make sure you comb it into place where you want it. You don't need a hair dryer for this kind of stuff here. It just goes in and immediately goes into shape. Holds the shape all day, but it does dry a little bit, and once it dries, it starts to get kind of poofy and hairs start to pop out of place and everything. That's where the Excellento comes in. You get something with a high shine and real light pomade like Royal Crown, and that'll keep your Suavecito or Morgan's or whatever it is wet enough to maneuver throughout the day. But man, does it do some good stuff here. I can get a real high pump with this kind of stuff, just like Suavecito. You can just do whatever you want with it. Real moldable pomade. And I really appreciate it, Gêne, because ran out of Suavecito not long after Viva. Speaking of Viva, we're going back in April if any of y'all are interested in meeting up with us while we're out there. We're going to be driving all the way across the country from Mississippi all the way to California to get her stuff from Oceanside. And with her family.
Hi!
She can translate, but her mom and dad don't, and I'm gonna be riding with them for 26 hours, I think. I wish I could smell this, like just after putting it in my hair, you can smell the cologne smell. It's real nice. Being a water-based pomade, Johnny, go lay down. It makes your hands a little sticky, but it's not as bad as having them real, you know, waxy and greasy. The stickiness, you know, comes right off with water. Just rub the styling pomade gently into the palms of your hands. We all know that. Apply to hair and style as desired. Water soluble, easy to wash out. Avoid all contact with the eyes for external use only. Store in a cool place. I didn't store it in a cool place. Well, I guess my bathroom's a cool place. Not cold, but cool. Real good stuff. Don't know what more to say about it other than how good it smells, how good it works, and it lasts a long time too. Because y'all can look back on my channel and see when I posted the video. I'm pretty sure it was the Johnny Chop Shop pomade he sent over as well with this. But this by far trumps all of them. Yeah, the Johnny Chop Shop pomade's where I put it to the real test and went riding in the pickup truck with the windows down to see if it'd mess my hair up, and it popped a little tiny bit out on the sides, what it was they were flopping. This stuff here, that shit ain't happening. I'm telling you right now. If I had my truck, I'd show you, but the engine's being rebuilt on it. We got so much stuff going underway here, y'all. The 1958 Chevy is in progress. I'll post a little clip in here and show you the latest video of it. We got it running and running on its own too. Like the first video y'all saw, we was just cranking it a little bit and trying to keep it cranked, but now it'll stay running on its own as long as we get a gas tank and hook up all the fuel lines right. That's all I got to do for that, get a paint job. The engine in my truck right now is being completely rebuilt, so I'll have a brand new 350 in probably a week, which is what I've been saying for the past month, so we'll see. I just wanted to show y'all this pomade, and if I had some water around here, it'd be a longer video, but I don't. So, oh, made in England. This is what it looks like. Get my beer out of the picture. Morgan Styling Pomade. So get on the website, or if you live in England or in Scotland, go down to your local shop and pick some of this stuff up. It's way worth it. It'll last you a while and it won't disappoint you. I can guarantee you that. So what I got coming up next video is going to be on my collection I got over there. I got a collection, all original 1950s stuff. Spinning Marty is a TV serial that was on the Mickey Mouse Club, Disney, back in 1950s, started 55, ran through 57. After they got done making the TV series, it became so popular among young teenagers and kids in the 50s. You know, Western stuff was super big back then. You know, so everybody just bought into it. They had to make comic books, and there was probably, I think, 12 comic books. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them right now, and 2 more on the way. The original record, side photograph, 6 disc set of all the TV series, and 2 books. So, all original 1950s stuff. So, be looking for that. It's coming up soon. I'm just waiting on a couple more items to hit so I can add them in there and make it look complete. And we're getting married in April. You know, we're already married technically by the law, but by the Lord, we're going to be married in April. My preacher, we had lunch with him today after church and decided we're going to do the wedding right before we go to Viva. So it's going to be like the weekend of the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, something like that. So, if you can make it down, you're more than welcome. The more the merrier. So, I guess that's about all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope it was informative to y'all. Don't forget to go out and get you some Morgan Styling Pomade. Don't forget to tune in for my next video where I show off the collection. Don't forget to try to make it to my wedding. If you don't, that's your fault. Don't forget to try to come out to Viva as well, because we'd love to see you there. Lots of stuff going on now, lots of stuff coming up. And I guess that's why I ain't been making videos so much, because there's just tons of stuff on the to-do list, and we just been getting after it one thing at a time, trying to get it all done. But there's more to come soon. So as always, you know what to do. Stay tuned, stay greasy, keep it rockabilly, GTFO.